First, when solving systems of nonlinear equations, you need to identify the inequality sign.
If the inequality sign has a line under it, it is either less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. You will then graph it as a solid line. If the inequality sign is plain and has no line underneath, you either have less than or greater than. You will then graph it as a dotted line.
For example, if you are working with this problem, when you are putting the equation into the calculator, you scroll over to this icon and click it. When graphing the equation, your inequality sign is used as an equal sign, so it's going to be x squared minus 10x plus 24, enter, and you get your first graph on the calculator. When graphing the second equality, you press tab, and then you plug in your second inequality. So the second one will be x plus 6, enter, and you get your second graphed equation. When finding the points to graph on paper, you press Control T. It then gives you a graph of points of both equations that are graphed on the calculator. You then pick the ones that would fit on your paper or the worksheet you're working with. To exit out of the graph or the table it gives you for the points, you then press Control T again to get back to the graph. Now to find out which part of the graph is shaded for the first one, you do tab, then you do delete. Your inequality signs will then show up and you match them with the equation that you're given. So it's going to be this way, and x squared minus 10x plus 24, and then you're going to press enter. It will then give you the shaded portion of that specific graph. Then to find out which section is shaded for the second part on your second equation, you're going to do tab, and then you're going to do y. You press y for your equation, and then you do control equals, it pops up with your inequality signs again, and you match it with the equation, the second one given. So it's going to be this way, x plus 6, enter again, and you get which two parts are shaded on both equations of the graph. When it asks you to give two coordinates that are a part of the solution, you then pick a part where both parts are equal, therefore it would be right in the middle in this area because they're both shaded in that area. So you pick any 2 points that fall in this category, which will be 5, 7, 5, 4, 6, 8, and many more. Hope you learned a lot. Thank you so much.